welcome in. It's Victoria here to do an unboxing. This just came from Amazon. I opened the box. But this is a bag that I've wanted for a while now. This is the Juliet 30, Pocket Juliet 30 in the Love Denim. Y'all know how much I love denim. Do I have to tell you? But this one I've been wanting for a minute now. Full price, she's about $5.95, but Amazon and Dillard's both have her on sale for 40% off. So current price is $357 plus your tax. So I thought this is the time to get her. Let me show you. This is it. Oh, she's so pretty. Love her. Yep, so this is the Pocket Juliet 30. Oh, and she's nicely wrapped too. Yes, ma'am. Love her. Friends, if you've never seen me before, it's a contemporary handbag channel, and we love Coach around here. So, oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. I love the Love leather. Excuse me, the Love denim here. She is so cute. So she comes with 2 straps. As we know, Coach tends to give us multiple straps, which we're not complaining about. Actually, correction, she comes with 3 straps. There is a chain strap as well, and I'm looking for it. So the shoulder strap, excuse me, a longer strap that is crossbody. I can tell you, I love Coach and the packaging. Oh, I love this. Let me show you this strap. So it's got that padding on the shoulder, so that if you were to carry her crossbody, you got some cushion there. Love that. So that is the longer strap, and the chain strap, it's in here. Yeah, there it is. So it comes with a chain strap. Of course, I have a picture up right now of this bag, friends. But I wanted to come and do the actual unboxing with you so you can see everything as opposed to taking it out. That is the chain strap. It is a good strap, actually. Not flimsy at all. Sometimes these extra straps that these bags come with tend to be kind of flimsy. So, but this one here is a pretty good one. So let me try to just put the strap on so you get a good sense of what she would look like. This Pocket Juliet bag is stunning. I love this style. This is I have the oversized Juliet bag from Coach. I don't have the 25, which is the size below this one, or the 30. This one here is the 30. So that's kind of what she looks like with the chain on. And she is fabulous. She is Love denim. She has 2 turn lock pockets. I love Coach in that turn lock. Let me just get close so you can see this. I love Coach with these turn lock when they put these kind of pockets on their bags. So cool. This one here is a Y2K looking bag. Do you agree? This pocket style. I kind of also like this kind of shape the bag has. This kind of curve shape. I cannot wait to style her. This is a retail bag, by the way. The Juliet bags. Dust bag. Oh, this is the newer dust bag this one comes with. Love it. How much do we love that? This bag is stunning. I have been wanting this bag forever. And that is it. I just wanted to come real quick and do an unboxing with you to show you that I got her. And this is the Pocket Juliet 30 in the Love Denim, and she is currently on sale. I will link her to this video. Okay, and of course, a bag review is coming soon. And yeah, that is it. She's stunning. So good, friends. All right, so that is the unboxing. Please like the video, subscribe, do all the things if you enjoyed this video. Okay, my friends, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.